Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our oil-free SPF 40+.
Strengthen and support skin with this invisible finish all-mineral sunscreen. An effortlessly hydrating oil-free SPF, it provides reef-safe, high-factor, broad-spectrum protection. Powered by zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, it provides instant high-factor protection against the sun's damaging UVA and UVB rays. It's also loaded with next-generation hydrators, including hyaluronic acid, plus soothing bisabolol and oat kernel extract, nourishing your skin's moisture barrier without clogging or congesting the complexion. Apply a liberal amount to face daily, avoiding the eye area. You can wear it alone or underneath your makeup. Reapply every 2 hours for optimum protection.
This weightless sunscreen is so effortless and easy to wear. It delivers that high-factor SPF protection that we all want without a white or chalky finish. It's great because it's perfect for all skin types, including sensitive or acne-prone.